Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're off to Volcano Bay and then we're going to spend the day in Universal Studios after that. But first we're going to get a breakfast from the hotel. They do Mickey waffles, so let's go. Ready for a swim?
So ready.
Let's go. So that's our day complete in Volcano Bay. We're going to go over to Universal Studios now and enjoy the rest of the day there. What did you think to your first trip to Volcano Bay? What was your favourite ride? I can't remember the name of that thing, but the roller coaster, the aqua coaster, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I think that's my favourite as well. I really like that. So we're going to go and turn these Tapu Tapu bands and then over to the studios. So first stop, we're going to go to Hot Dog Hall of Fame for some food. Just share a foot-long hot dog and save a little bit of money, and then we're going to get a refillable mug. So here it is, Hot Dog Hall of Fame. Time to tuck in. Refillable cup. We've got Sprite in it, so it was around $18, but refillable, so no brainer. Thinking of going on Rip Ride Rocket now, because I think it was only a 20-minute wait, so enjoying that as our first ride. So Emily, what was your opinion on the Rip Ride? Is it Rip Ride Rocket? I don't know, my head's still gone after that ride. What was your opinion? Scary. Would you go on it again? We got lucky, it was a 20-minute wait when we got on. When we got off, 40 minutes. So first ride done. We got more refill. We got a icy Minute Maid slushie. And I don't know what ride we're going now. Maybe the Mummy. See how things go. This is Emily's first try at butterbeer. No, not a fan. Boo. Emily's taking her seat, ready for the Macy's Day holiday parade. We're right by the gate, which is right where the parade starts. So got about half an hour wait, just sitting it out before it starts. and we are heading back now, hopefully to catch the shuttle. But if not, we're just going to get an Uber or a Lyft back anyway. Then once we're back, we're going to go to Hooters, grab some food, get an early night because we're back in Universal in the morning for 7 AM is the bus. 7 AM is the bus, so it's got to be really early, so we'd rather get an early night to compensate for the early start. So yeah, probably can't see us very well now, but we are now back at the bar. We just got back to the hotel and we are off to Hooters. We're off to Hooters because Ellie loves a good wing or two or three or five, and Hooters makes you happy. Back from Hooters now. Got a t-shirt. What did you think of your first Hooters experience, Emily? Lovely, is that it? You enjoyed the wings though.
Yeah, food was nice.
She enjoyed the food, but not the rest of it. And thus concludes day 3. Very tired. Got an early, just dropped something, dropped a couple of pennies. Very tired. And early start in the morning for Universal. We've got a full day of Universal. So, adios, amigos. We'll see you tomorrow.